G'day FunSeekers, Ranger Rod here. Mate, have I found a swimming hole for you? This place is unbelievable. It's called Josephine Falls. It's about an hour south of Cairns and runs off the side of Mount Bartle Free Air, which is Queensland's highest mountain. And it's literally waterfall after waterfall after waterfall with rock slides and crystal clear water in the middle of the rainforest. Absolutely sick. Put this one on your list, FunSeekers. Check it out. Oh, how good is it? Hey, the rock slide. Josephine Falls. Absolute cracker. Mate, she's busy. There's a reason she's busy. This is the most stunning waterhole you'll ever find, I tell you. It's ticked all the boxes for me. And if you've never been here, mate, put her on your list. Josephine Falls, just south of Babinda in far north Queensland. Mate, absolute banger. Love it. Ranger right out.